Hello everyone. Do you know how to give yourself a proper Chinese name? Today we are going to teach you how to do that. Actually, there are two ways to do this. The first method is to translate your English name into a Chinese name. For example, your English name is Bob Smith. Then you use Google Translate. Put Bob Smith in English and choose Chinese as translation. In a second, you will get 鲍勃史密斯. So your Chinese name should be 鲍勃史密斯. 鲍勃 means Bob. 史密斯 means Smith. So that's the first method. Let's look at the second method. The second method is to choose an authentic Chinese name that you like. Remember, make sure you place the family name first and then your given name. Weird? But that's the way how it is. There are 3 steps. Follow me. First step, choose your surname. Actually, there are hundreds of surnames in Chinese culture. So which one to choose? It is a question. I give you some clues. The most common surnames include Zhang, Wang, Li, Zhao. So you definitely can choose one among these 4. As choosing any of these would be a safe and widely accepted option. Alternatively, if you want to stand out a bit more, you can choose a surname that is less commonly used. According to the 2020 population census statistics, Gu is one of the least commonly used surnames. So you can choose this one too. Or you can find a link to a list of common Chinese surnames in the description below our video. Choose any surname you like from the list. After you have a family name, then we go to the second step. Choose your first name. In fact, you can choose any Chinese character as your name primarily based on the meaning of the character. For example, 好 means good, 美 means beautiful, 健 means fit, 雅 means graceful, 帅 means handsome. Generally, you can choose 1 or 2 Chinese characters for your given name. However, if you choose 3 characters along with the surname, sometimes they would resemble a 4 characters Japanese name. Okay, let's go to the third step. Combine your surname and given name. For example, I choose Li, the most popular surname, plus Ya, graceful. So it equals Li Ya. That's the name I choose. Therefore, Li Ya is my Chinese name. Now go ahead and give yourself a Chinese name. Don't forget, leave your chosen Chinese name in the comments below, and I will let you know how it sounds. Is it authentic? Let's find out. Thanks for watching.